Samsung's Galaxy S24 series is generating a lot of excitement ahead of its January 17th launch. Leaks and rumors have given us a sneak peek at what's to come, particularly with the S24 Ultra. This phone boasts a sleeker design with a flat screen, a departure from the curved display of its predecessor. It also introduces refined aesthetics and a revamped camera system, trading the 10x periscope lens for a powerful 50-megapixel telephoto lens. Under the hood, the S24 Ultra is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, while the standard S24 and S24 Plus might use Samsung's Exynos 2400 in certain regions. Leaks hint at advanced AI capabilities, making this series a dream come true for tech enthusiasts. While official details, including pricing, remain a mystery, these new models promise a blend of sophistication and cutting-edge technology, making them an attractive choice for both die-hard Samsung fans and newcomers. Stay tuned for more updates as the launch date draws nearer.